Hey, what's up, guys? Franchise 923. I have a new toy here. It's the Garmin Dashcam Tandem. Garmin Dashcam Tandem. Yeah, so I'm going to be going on a cross-country road trip in the summer, and I wanted to get a nice dash cam. And I did some research, and this one looked pretty sweet. It has both an interior facing, like a cabin view, and also exterior facing cameras. And apparently it has your it tracks GPS, so I'm hoping I'll be able to do some GIS stuff with this when I do the cross country trip. Just import all the GPS tracks, just play around with that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so that's what it looks like inside. Pretty low, small profile. Yeah, already the quality feels a lot nicer than previous dash cams that I've had before. So that is what it looks like. That's the back. So, I guess this would be facing outside of the car, and this is the camera that's facing toward you. Oh yeah, it's got some weight to it. It feels sturdy, like it's decent quality. Alright, and then inside the box we just got some components in here, some chargers, cables, that type of thing. A little instruction book. Looks like a battery. This might be a battery or something for GPS, I'm not sure. But yeah, that seems to be it. Yeah, I think this is just power for the dash cam. This thing, I'm not quite sure what this is for. Let's see here. Oh, I don't know, this might be also for power or for data transfer. I'm not sure. But yeah, I plan to set this up and do a little driving and see what kind of data I can actually get off of it once I import it into a computer. Like I said, hoping there's like some cool log files that have GPS tracks. But yeah, once again, this is the Garmin. I'm trying to get it to focus. Can't even really see that, but it says Garmin right here. There you go. Yep, Garmin Dashcam Tandem. I think it's relatively new. Maybe it came out like a year or two ago, but I've had a bunch of like cheap, crappy, like $30 dash cams, but I wanted to get a nice one for that cross-country trip I'm doing. So yeah, I will let you know how this goes. Alright, so I actually took a closer look at these cables here, and they're the exact same cable. This one's longer, but if you look at it, this one's designed for the power. So this actually goes in your car, you plug it into the cigarette lighter, and you can see there's this little power symbol on it. You can't see that. It's like a little lightning bolt. And then the other one's much shorter, and this is, you can see here, this says power, and it's like lightning bolt slash, and then there's a little picture of a computer and a monitor. So this is what you would actually transfer data with. So this is probably intended to actually just like stay at your computer. And I forgot to mention how much this was. This was like $2.99, so pricier than your usual dash cam. But looking forward to experimenting with it. And the other thing I forgot to mention, it looks like it does come with an SD card. I'm trying to get this thing out of here. Yeah, here we go. So this came with an SD card. 16 gigs. Micro SD card, 16 gigs. I don't know what that brand is, just says Elite. But I'm planning to use a SanDisk 256 gig I have. So I'll probably be plugging that in here. Yeah, so this is the Garmin Drive app. It's a free app that you can just download from the App Store. And it basically just lets you preview your dash cam so you can see like the both views. So that's the front view, and then you can switch it and see the interior, just the live feed of what you would see. you're able to change settings like the resolution of the video and stuff like that. And yeah, you can review your footage. You can also use like commands and say like, "Hey Garmin, start like take a picture," but I don't think I would ever use that. But they have some cool stuff like that, and this is pretty much just like what the settings page looks like. One thing that's kind of interesting is like it seems like it's recording in 1 minute video increments, so every minute it makes a new clip, and I haven't figured out how to change that. So I'm still trying to see if there's a way to do that. But yeah, other than that, this is what the app looks like. Hey, so just one other thing. I actually found this free Garmin Dashcam Player app. I did read online that it's no longer supported, and I actually could only find a Mac version of it. I couldn't find Windows, but I'm just playing around with it and some cool things you can do. So you notice that these video clips are longer, and it's because it's combining those 1 minute clips. So basically, like if you turned your car on and drove for 20 minutes and then turned it off, it's going to combine all those 20 1 minute clips into one, which is cool. And the other cool thing is you can actually export the GPX record from it. So this is like the GPS tracks. And if we export that, you should be able to view it in some sort of GIS software like QGIS. And I actually didn't even know QGIS was supported on Mac, but apparently it is. So it should be, these are just all of the 1 minute clips. But yeah, we should be able to drag in that GPX file. And there you go. You can see that's the route that I took with my car. Kind of an interesting route. But yeah, I thought that's pretty cool. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions.